initially in the relationship between the institution and the foundation, the focus was therefore on the mission of each of the two. This is the mission of the institution, this is the mission of the foundation. And that really was part of the discussion between, okay, this is our responsibility, so we have to have power to do this, and we got control over that. As it became evident that power and control wasn't the issue, it was going to be a partnership, how then do we best execute that relationship? And that came in a very easy kind of a discussion that became rather difficult to implement at times, and that was by really outlining a relationship between the two and what became known as a memorandum of understanding, where they really set out the roles and responsibilities of the member institution and the supporting organization, in this case the foundation, or its multiple foundations, as has happened in a number of institutions across the country. And in doing that, what they really were doing was saying, here are the things that we will provide for you, and here are the things that we expect back. And it was both ways. And in doing that, that really gave a clear working relationship that set up the governance pieces that were going to then be necessary to maintain it, and more importantly, how we could enhance the overall mission of the institution, which was the providing of education for the students and the support of the faculty to make that happen. Well, the key process that really happens in the development of a memorandum of understanding in relationship to the missions is, first of all, not being aware of what they are. So it's very important when you start out in the discussion to really understand what is going to be required of each of the two partners. And in doing that, then they look forward to how we can enhance what we each can do to make a greater opportunity for the development of the institution in the future.